Now let us see the next illusion. Which car looks bigger? The last one? I can tell you straight away. All of them are of the same size and dimensions. Yes, our brains play these tricks on us. It is a matter of perception. And even now, after knowing all of them are the same size, what do you feel? The one at the back is the largest of the three, right? The markets also play such games on us, and we are led to believe something is a fact when the exact opposite is true. More of that later. Now, see this picture. Who do you see? Did you say Albert Einstein? Are you sure? Pay attention, and you will also see, yes, Marilyn Monroe. Really? No, that's Albert Einstein. No, that's Marilyn Monroe. Oh, this is really confusing. Can it be both? Our eyes playing tricks on us again? Now, all these pictures illustrate how we get misled in the markets and listen to the so-called experts who really do not understand the market too. And in the process, we lose our hard-earned money and give away our precious capital and only end in despair. I will show you all that by the end of this presentation. These are the visual illusions. The next kind of illusions are the illusions created by movement, and we have absolutely no control over it. Most traders tend to watch the trading screen all through the day and keeping constant track of the price movement. This creates the illusion of movement. See this picture and look only at the black cross in the middle. What do you see? Keep looking. Wait, the flashing pink dot is changing color. Keep looking. And suddenly, all the dots seem to vanish. Really? Blink your eyes and see attentively again. Does the pink dot really change color? No, not at all. Do they disappear? Absolutely not. So, what is happening here? Why is our mind playing these tricks? This is exactly what happens when we keep looking at the trading screen.